Welcome to at a whining O2 YouTube tech channel on YouTube. Again, at a whining O2 YouTube tech channel on YouTube. This would be an unboxing and a small kind of product review on Anker's new 45-watt smart charger from Anker. I bought this with my own money, so no, they did not send this to me. I bought this myself directly on Amazon. There's the box, what it comes with. Looks like. Let's put that to the side. You get your manual information page about it. You get your charging smart plug-in. It's a 45-watt Anker smart plug-in. It's supposed to have the ability to tell what the device is that's connected to it while charging, so that it knows the exact amount of watts to use when it's charging the device, so that it can charge it properly without overcharging it or causing your phone to overheat. First one with it on, and it's supposed to show like the information about the phone when it's connected. So let's do a small test to see how it works. There it is. And then just take that and plug it into the top. Let me go get a smartphone real quick. This is my OnePlus. I plug it into my OnePlus 15, and there goes the on-screen display. First time seeing it myself. That's cool. 10 watts, and it shows you super fast charging, and it shows you the amount of watts being delivered to the phone to charge it, which is pretty sweet. Oops, I didn't have it in all the way. There it is. That's pretty cool. It's be the first ever, I don't know. Oh, cool. And then you have different settings. It looks like you can adjust, select the mode. It's on automatic. And then it just shows you, yeah, AI technology, it looks like, built into it. So it has the ability to recognize the device that's charging and deliver the correct amount of wattage to the phone that's necessary to charge it. It's new from Anker. It's a 45-watt smart charger. Looks like it has some kind of almost like AI technology built into it from Anker, and that's pretty cool. That's how the new charger from Anker works. It's a 45-watt Anker smart charger from Anker. That's an unboxing of the charger from Anker, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Again, you can subscribe at a whining O2 YouTube tech channel on YouTube. If you want to see more content like this, unboxing and small product reviews on new products. This is, again, Anker's 45-watt smart charger. And it's supposed to be able to, some devices, I guess, it will tell you what it is that it's charging when you connect it to it. It may not on this one, because it's a OnePlus 15, it may not have that ability. Maybe it does, but it doesn't show it on my end. It just shows you the amount of watts being delivered to it on screen. That's pretty cool. Anyway, this is just a small unboxing, a small test product of Anker's 45-watt charger for your cell phone, or anything that's USB Type-C technically. Mainly your cell phone. It's a 45-watt. You could probably use it on an iPad too if you wanted to. Thanks again for watching. More videos like this. Once again, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.